Hello Yellow Cap viewers, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Boat Storm smartwatch. We purchased this smartwatch for 2,999 through the Boat official website. This watch is also available both online as well as in the offline stores for the similar price, or you may be able to find few offers for this watch as well, like I did. When I ordered it through Boat official website, I was given a free Boat mask worth $499 along with this purchase. The first impression I got about this watch was that it is lightweight. When I place it on my hand, it gives me a premium look. Now let us look at the features in this watch. So if I do a left swipe, you notice that we have the sports option. So let me click on the sports option. You have various activities here: run, walk, bike, hike, climbing, treadmill, spinning and yoga. The main takeaway for me in buying this smartwatch was that I could measure the blood oxygen level, the SpO2 level. I have clicked on it. We have to remain still and it shows the readings in couple of seconds. I have tried to check this reading with an oximeter, with a pulse oximeter I have, and I have noticed that the readings are fairly accurate. So I click on the long press button or the multi-feature button in order to go back to the previous screen. Now let us take a look at the heart rate. So it takes a couple of seconds to show you the readings. The reading for me reads 90. We have verified this several times and we again find this heart rate to be fairly accurate. So now let us go back to the previous screen. Now let us take the blood pressure reading. So we have to keep still and it is going to take a couple of seconds to show us the measurement. For me, the reading shows 119/74. It will definitely take a couple of seconds to display you these readings. If you guys would ask me, are these readings accurate? Definitely not. We will talk about it in a while. You guys would have noticed that we have shot this review in different timelines. The reason was to give you a view as to how does this watch looks both in the outdoor lighting as well as the indoor lighting. So let us look at the other features that is available in this watch. So we have this Relax app which will help you in calming down, and then we have this alarm, timer, music applications which you can find in other similar smartwatches as well. You can go to the settings and you will be able to shut it down if you are interested to shut down the watch. One of the cool things about this watch is that you can change the watch face. You can choose the custom watch face as well. So you can select on this and this becomes your watch face. So using the mobile app, I have set my custom wallpaper as the watch face. You will notice that my watch face has changed now. So this is one cool feature that is available in this smartwatch. You will notice that we receive the call alerts. If you had set it up in the mobile application, we can receive the call alerts. One of the disadvantages here is that you will not be able to silence it or answer it with a custom message. All you would be able to do is just reject it. One another feature in this smartwatch is that you will receive all kinds of notifications. So if you had set it off in the mobile application, if you had turned it on in the mobile application, you will receive the notifications in this smartwatch. So you see here that I have received a message. I was really interested to purchase this watch for 3 reasons. One of them being the SpO2 measurement, second one being the heart rate measurement, and the third one being the blood pressure measurement. Of these 3 measurements, the heart rate and the SpO2 measurements are accurate, whereas the blood pressure measurement is definitely not accurate. When we compared the readings with the mercury apparatus or with any other device, say Omron, we found the readings to be inaccurate. So if you are a person who is not interested in looking at the blood pressure reading, then probably you can definitely purchase this watch, as this watch contains lots of other cool features. But if you are like someone who is keen on measuring the blood pressure every now and then probably this is not the one you're looking for. So guys, this is all about this Boat smartwatch review. Hope you would have liked this. This is an honest review after having used it for about 2 weeks now. If you are watching our videos for the first time, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon button so that you don't miss the notifications from us. Thank you.